Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, back again for another amazing episode. And this time we have traveled all the way to a long distance away from Panjim, almost about 60-65 kilometers, and we have come to Sanguem. And here we are going to bring to you a war-like festivity that happens over here, and that is called as Veerbhadra. All this that came out through the anger of Lord Shiva, who picked up a mat of his hair, smashed it into the ground, and from there arose a very fearsome warrior. Why am I telling you all this? Let's go in, let's see it. Very colorful things over here. Let's go and see what's happening. Come on, follow me. When we talk of the Veerbhadra festival that is held here in Sanguem, you cannot miss out the name of the Kosambe family, because it is this family that has been carrying these traditions right from earlier times. And to find out about the data of this particular festival, let us speak to this gentleman who is the Veerbhadra, Mr. Dharmanand Kosambe. Kosambe बाब, आमच्या प्रोग्रामाचेर तुमचें स्वागत आसा.
थँक्यू.
हो जो हांगा वीरभद्र म्हणून एक फेस्टिवल जाता हांगा, तो आमचे व्ह्युअर्स सगळे जगभर पळयतात. हो वीरभद्र हो तुमच्या घराणे केन्ना पासून करता?
आमच्या घराणे म्हणजे कोसंबे फॅमिली भितर हो 1926 कॉमेर्स जाला.
ओके.
आनी तातूंत आतां हांव कोसंबे फॅमिलींतलो हांव चवथो.
हां. आनी हाज्या पयलीं कोण? तिसरो.
पयलो आशिल्लो तो आमकां जयवंत कोसंबे म्हणून. ताजे नंतर साळो कोसमो, ताजे नंतर शिव कोसमो, शिवानंद कोसंबे, आनी आतां हांव म्हणजे हांव कोसंबेंतलो चवथो.
तुमी जेन्ना तुमी चवथो म्हणटा, हें तुमी वीरभद्र जावपाचें पळय तुमी हातान घेतलें न्ही, केन्नाच्यान?
1972 म्हणजे
1972. ओके, दॅट मिन्स ऑलमोस्ट 48 इयर्स बॅक.
48 इयर्स जातात.
48 इयर्स जाता. हें जेन्ना तुमी पळय आंगार घेतलें की हें जावंक जाय म्हणून, तेन्ना तुमचें एक्सपिरियन्स कितें आशिल्लें?
एक्सपेरिमेंट अशें सांग्यालो वीरभद्र हो शिगमो जो आहा तो चलोवंक जाय, आनी हे वीरभद्राचें सवंग आहा तें एक तातूंत भितर एक प्रावड आशिल्लो, म्हणजे ताका बाबा रिस्पेक्टफूल हें तें प्रत्येक मनीस ताका रिस्पेक्ट दितात आनी तो चाल उरूंक जाय ह्या दृश्टीन हांवें जें हातांत घेतलेलें. म्हणजे म्हगे घरचे लोक हाजे कोंत्र आशिल्ले, पूण हांवें तो हातांत घेतलोच. म्हगे बापायक तें हांवें घेतलें नाका आशिल्लो, म्हणजे त्या म्हगे यंग एजीचेर म्हगे 22व्या वर्साक हांवें तो हातांत घेतलेलो.
हें कितल्यांक सुरू जाता? म्हणजे आमचे जर आतां हे जे व्ह्युअर्स आसा तांकां जर हांगा वीरभद्र म्हणून कितें तें पळोवंक जाय जाल्यार तांणी हांगा कितल्यांक शेवचे सांग्यार?
एटलिस्ट ताणें 11 सांग्यार हांगा पंकूच जाय.
रातच्या 11?
रातच्या 11.
खंयच्याच दिसा?
ईव ऑफ आमकां याद गुढीपाडवाच्या पयल्या दिसा.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, there is one thing that I must tell you. Gudi Padwa is the new year celebrated by the Hindu, as per the Hindu calendar in India. And this particular Veerbhadra happens in Sanguem on the eve of the new year, that is one day before Gudi Padwa, on this night of Amavasya or Umas. Azumas. ही जी वीरभद्र म्हणून जो एक प्रकार आसा, वो वीरभद्र कोण?
वीरभद्र हो महादेवाचो पुत्र म्हणून मानस पुत्र जावं मानस पुत्र जाता. कारण वीरभद्राक ताणें कितें धाडलो, तागेले पार्वतीन जेन्ना हातूंक पार्वती सती तिणें दक्षाले यज्ञा भितर उडी मारून हें केली, ताका लागून ताका दक्षा बुद्ध शिकोवपाक शिवान म्हणजे महादेवान जट काडून जमनी मारून वीरभद्र निर्माण केलो आनी ताका दक्षा यज्ञा संवार करून लायलो. ही व्याख्यायिका. पूण सांग्यार जो आहा तो तसो संवार करपाक न्ही, हो आमी एक सेलिब्रेशनच करतात.
सेलिब्रेशन करतात. Ladies and gentlemen, Indian mythology is amazingly beautiful. one of the story is what Dharmanand Bab just told us, is in this mythology, we of the trilogy, of the Indian trilogy, we have got the Brahma, the creator, we have got Shiva, the destroyer, and Vishnu as the pursuer. It so happened that Lord Shiva is always shown as wearing very low clothes and on the mountains, almost like a gypsy. But it was this daughter of Prajapati Daksh, who was a king. She fell in love with him and she said that she is going to marry Lord Shiva, which the father did not like. But against the wish of the father, she got married. Now, many times we see this in the movies, but Daksha wanted to put Shiva down, and for that he had the yajna, or the holy fire, or the sacrificial fire, and he invited everybody, but he didn't invite Lord Mahadev.
Mahadeva and his wife.
And his wife. Now, the daughter thought that the father may have forgotten or by oversight not invited, and she forced Lord Mahadev to take her to this place. Lord Mahadev knew, but he did not say anything. But when she went there, she was very badly insulted. Correct?
Insulted.
And
also criticized.
He criticized Lord Shiva, which Sati
Sati
did not like. And in that anger, she jumped into the holy fire and immolated herself, burnt to ashes. Now when Shiva came to know about this, he was angry. He was so angry that he started dancing, and in that anger he pulled out one of the locks of his hair. He threw it into the ground, and from there arose Veerbhadra. But ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you this, what Dharmanand Bab just told me. What he said was, the original Veerbhadra was raised to destroy Daksha and whatever he was doing. But he says that the Sanguem one is not ferocious. So you can come here. You can come here by about 11 o'clock, one day before Gudi Padwa, to see this. Let's continue our talk with Dharmanand Bab. Dharmanand Bab, हे जे पळय तुम्ही संग करतात, म्हणजे वीरभद्राचे, ताका तुम्ही एक पयलीं सुरू करता आसतना एक व्हडलो फेटो बांदता. हो फेटो, एक फेट्याचें मातशें कितें आमकां सांगूंक मेळटलें?
मेन म्हणजे जो वीरभद्राचो हें आसा ताका उगड दिसपा जाय, म्हणजे भयानक अशें.
ओके.
मग ताका सगळें तांबडे 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 करून पेंट तांबडो, फेट तांबडो, कपडे तांबडे,
सगळे तांबडे.
सगळें तांबडे.
ओके.
मागीर तें कितें भयानक अशें करपाचें. मागीर ताचे खातीर फेटो घालतकीर फेटो आनी मुकूट हातूंत भितर डिफरन्स आसा.
फेटो आनी
मुकूट.
मुकुट.
थोडे कडेन मुकूट बांदतात, पूण हो मुकूट आसता तो लायट आसता आनी फेटो आसता तो हेवी आशिल्ल्या कारणान आनी ताका हप्तागीर आसता दोन कुची.
हां, कुची म्हणजे ती जी
मोराची असतात.
मोराची पाकां आसता ती.
मोरा पाकां. त्या भायर ताका फाटल्यान हप्तागीर आसता.
हां, आतां हें हप्तागीर म्हणजे तें पान कशें व्हडलें आसता तें फाटलीक बांदता तें.
फाटीं बांदता तें.
ओके.
तें घेवन इतलें फेटो हप्तागीर घेवन आनी तलवार घेवन मागीर नाचपाचो.
आनी तलवारी आसता.
तलवार आसात.
ओके. ओके. हें नाचप जें आसा, हें नाचप तुमकां हांगांसून भितरसून येवन तुमी नाचतात काय ताका स्टेप्स आसा?
स्टेप्स आसात. आनी तें कितें जाता, एकदां पेंट काडलो मागीर तुवें सुसरायना, मागीर तूं त्या हातूंत भितर वता.
ट्रान्सफॉर्म. ओके.
आनी एकदां पेंट काडटा मागीर तूं व्हडलेशें कोणाचें हें घेवन बसना. तो केदार व्हडलो आसलो म्हण ताका हें जायना.
ओके.
आनी हांगा गरमी तयार जाता मागीर.
हें सगळें हें तुमी सांगलें की पयलीं स्टार्टिंगाक तुमकां तुमच्या फॅमिलीन नाका म्हणून सांगलें म्हणून. आतां कितें जालां?
ना आतां कितें जालां, आतां मागीर तांकां मानून घेवचें पडलें न्ही.
लोक एप्रिशिएट करता.
लोक एप्रिशिएट करता आनी तांकांय कळून आयलें की हें आमी करपा जाय, नाजाल्यार कोणा जाल्यार करूंकूच जाय म्हूण तें. कोणा जाल्यार करचे पेक्षा आमी कित्याक करनाय.
ओके. ओके. आनी हे कोसंबी फॅमिलीक कशें आयलें हाजेर कितें हिस्ट्री बी आसा?
कितें जालें जेन्ना ताणें जेन्ना जो पयलीं कोण उत्तम म्हूण करतालो ताणें आपूण कन्न म्हूण सांगलो. कन्न म्हूण सांगतकीर मुगेलो आजो आसा श्रीनिवास कोस्मो ताणें आपल्या भावाक जेवण कोस्मो सांगलें तूं वीरभद्र जावपाचो. आनी तेन्ना
हे 1926
26 आनी आपूण जबाबदारी घेतली म्हणटकीर फॅमिलीची कितें जालें जाल्यार त्या धर्तीचेर तो कोसंबे कडेन आयिल्लो आसता आज पर्यंत कोसंब्या कडेन
उरला. 1926 तुमच्या घराण्यांसून स्टार्ट जालो. ताज्या पयलीं कितलीं वर्सां हांगा जातालीं?
ड्युरींग पोर्चुगीज पयलीं कॉमर्स
Even during Portuguese time. Ladies and gentlemen, there is one more thing that I must make it very clear to you. The land that I am sitting right now called as Sanguem is called as Novo Conquista or the New Conquest. It came in the fold of the Portuguese about 283 years later after they came here in 1510. These lands were ceded to them by the Sondekar kings 283 years later. So this particular festival that we see must have been going on much earlier to the Portuguese coming over here. Could I be right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now what we will do is we will trail Mr. Dharmanbab Kusambe and then we will see how the face is painted.
हो वीरभद्र जो आसा आमकां पायकाचो शिगम्या लागून चालू आहा. पायक जो आसा तो आमचो ग्रामदेव.
हाँ, हांगाचो ग्रामदेव पायक.
ग्रामदेव पायक त्या पायकाचे सवंग शिगम्याक दसम ते उमास पर्यंत पायकाचे आमकां शिगमो
हाँ
सगळे दीस आमी भितर नाटकां चालू आसतात.
हांगा नाटकां चालू
आसता. वीरभद्र सवंग जातकीर नाटक जातलें.
आज म्हणजे गुढीपाडव्याच्या स्टार्टिंगाक नाटक सुरू.
नाटक इल्ल्यार लेट जाता.
आनी ही नाटकां हांगाचेच लोक करता काय भायले कोण येता?
ना सगळं सांगेवालेच करतात.
सांगेवेलेच करता. खूब आर्टिस्ट आसा हांगा.
हय.
Before the entry of the Veerbhadra in that fiery form, there is a small act that happens over here, and that is the dance, the peacock dance of Saraswati. Saraswati is the goddess of learning. And ladies and gentlemen, I have a learned person who is sitting down here. Her name is Purna Kosambe. Purna Bhai, welcome to my program, My Goem. Okay. Purna Bhai, we heard that before the Veerbhadra enters, there is a dance that happens, and that is called as Saraswati Stavan. Okay. From when have you been doing this?
I've started doing this from like 2008, so it's been around 11 years now.
For 11 years
Yes.
you've been doing, and when you started this dance, what was your age?
I was around 10.
You were 10 years old.
Yes.
You liked doing it that time?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm sure that you have seen people doing this. Who have been doing this earlier?
It like in the first, my grandfather used to do this.
Your grandfather used to do the Saraswati?
Yes. He started it in the year 1936.
Okay.
And he continued to do it till he was 76 years old.
Oh,
Yes. And
so
after
he was dressing up like Saraswati.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very
He used
nice,
to dress
very
up like
nice.
a lady and
Very
then
nice.
perform it very
Yes.
gracefully.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is this aspect that you should know about Goa. In Goa, we had ladies participating in public dances or festivities at a very late stage. Earlier, it was men, the gents, who would dress up like ladies and act on the stage. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. After your grandfather, who took over?
After my grandfather, my aunt used to perform this for some years until she got married. And after that, my sister used to do this, cousin sister of mine. And after she got married, I started doing it.
Well, I am feeling very naughty over here in asking. Every person who's been doing this, you said that after they got married, huh? They got. So, any plans in the near future?
No, not so soon. Not
So, we will see this Saraswati for a long time, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Now, can you explain to my viewers what this dance is all about?
This dance is about the Saraswati coming there and praising all the people so that all their manokamas get fulfilled.
Wishes.
Yes, wishes get fulfilled and they are blessed, and the year ahead is a great year for them, all of them.
After dancing all these years, has your year been very good?
Yes, of course. The start to the next year is so very enthusiastic and filled with so much of energy that all throughout the year I keep dancing.
Well, so, ladies and gentlemen, a message goes out. We Goans are known for this, but keep dancing. It's good to keep a smile on your face. See the smile here? See. So, thank you so much
Thank you.
for telling us about this. Thank you.
Yes.
One of the most important parts that is played in this entire thing is that by the Hardas. Now, who this Hardas is, what is his role? Let us find out from the person who comes up with this role, and that is Mr. Updesh Kusame. Updesh Bab, तुमचे स्वागत आसा आमच्या प्रोग्रामाचेर. आमी आयकलां की प्रोग्राम जाता हांगा तातूंत तुमी हरदासाचो रोल करता. आतां हो हरदास कोण आनी तो करता कितें?
हो हरदास
हय.
म्हजो पयलीं बापूय करतालो,
हा.
माजी कोसंबे.
हां
ताजे फाटल्यान डॉक्टर अभयकुमार कोसंबे हो म्हजो व्हडलो भाव.
हां.
त्या नंतर 2008
2008
8 ही जबाबदारी म्हजे कडेन आयली.
ओके.
हरदास म्हणटो पयलीं हे आमचे पायकी देवाच्या मांडार गाराणी घालता, भटा हाडून गाराणी घाली वता शिगम्याचे. देव पांय पडून घेतली, पेटी पुरुष, भक्त महाराज, बिडकेश्वर, कानडी पुरुष, इतर गांवां आशिल्ले देव, रामनाथ, सातेर, अशेंच आमचे मातशे लांचून गेल्ले आमचे मारवाडी कलाकार, आदम शरण येतात, मातशेचो दीस, बाजार सुखमय गणपतीच्या रूपान नाल्लाक
नाल्ल घेवन
नाल्ल एक नाल्ल आनी तळय घेवन
हय.
आमी ती मिरवणुकीन स्टेजीर हाडटात. ताजे पयलीं विदुशकाचे सवंग येता.
हां.
मागीर
विदूषक म्हणजे क्लावन.
विदुशक म्हणजे एक हाजे विनोदी पात्र ते.
विनोदी पात्र. ओके.
तोच जी गणपतीची पुजा बी सगळी तो करता. मागीर विदुशक आयले नंतर गणपतीक उलो मारलो वता.
हां.
गणपती उलो मारलो म्हणटकीर तोच नाल्ला रुपान मदीं येता हांची दोनूय सायडी रुद्दी आनी सिद्धी नासतात.
हां
त्या उपरांत भटाची पुजा करपा देवाची पुजा करपा खातीर भटा आपयलो वता. भट तसो आयलो ती पुजा अर्चा जावन पुजा अर्चा विदुशाक करता आनी भट ताका पुजा सांगता.
भट करिना.
भट करना, भट विदुशकाक सांगून
तो करता.
गणपतीची पुजा
ओके
करता.
ओके.
त्या उपरांत भट पयलें वता, मागीर गणपतीचें हें जाता परत. आनी त्या उपरांत मयूर नृत्य आसता, मोराचें नृत्य नाचयलें वता. मोराची म्हणजे एक ती सरस्वती.
सरस्वती.
सरस्वतीची आमचेर वरदस्त येवपा खातीर फूल मारलो वता.
ओके
तें जालें उपरांत वीरभद्र.
ओके.
वीरभद्र पयलीं हांगा आमच्या दारांक उज्यांतल्यान नाचता. मागीर ताका हांगा स्टेजी कडेन तलवार दिली वता. त्या तलवारीन तो प्रदक्षिण काडटा. तातूंत परावपाचें काम परत हांव करतां हरदास म्हणून. अशी आमची सादारण ती रूपरेषा.
सो ह्या सगळ्या हातूंत मेन रोल हरदासाचो.
हय अशें म्हणूं येता.
So ladies and gentlemen, here we have a person who plays a very critical role in this entire festivity. And I think he is going to bring to you the actual cultural ethos of what this festivity is all about. So let's trail him, see what he does, and enjoy yourself. Don't you forget, this is your festival, a festival of Goa and Goans. Please don't sit at home and say Goinkar and Goinkarpan. There's no such thing like that. Until and unless you come out of your homes, come to places like this, meet people like Updesh Babu over here, that is being Goinkar, and that is very, very important. So don't put a tag of Goan, doesn't have any value. Be a Goan. Okay? There you go.
राजा वरदपुत्रा राज वळगे राज वळगे वीरभद्रण्णा वीरभद्रण्णा वीरभद्रण्णा
मान सांभाळा मध्ये हात घाला मान सांभाळ
So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this beautiful episode where we have brought to you the Veerbhadra. You know the story. It's all about anger. And this happens in Sanguem, it happens in Sakre, it happens in Bicholi, and it happens in Ponda. Wherever you get an opportunity, please don't miss to go and see this. I'm sure you have liked this because these are the unique festivities of Goa during the Chigmo time. If you have liked it, please write on the email that you see over here. We love to hear from you. Give us your feedback. Please tell us if you have liked this type of festivities in your own home. So as of now, saying bye on this episode. Bye-bye. See you for the next episode.